Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain student pain app review to see bit what using. So in this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this app, which is student pain. So to get started, student pain is a discount app made specifically for students, offering access to hundreds of exclusive deals on clothing, tech, food, travel and more. So once you verify your student status through the app, you can instantly browse and apply promo code from brands like Apple, Adidas, ASOS, and Domino's. The app is easy to navigate, and many users appreciate the varieties of deals across different categories. It's especially useful for college students looking to stretch their budget while shopping online or in stores. On the downside, some users have reported issues with the student verification process or discount code not working at checkpoint. Customer support can also be slow to respond if something goes wrong. That said, most students find the saving worth the small hassle. So student pain is definitely worth it if you are a student looking for a quick access to legit discount from major brands. So make sure you double check that each code is valid. So make sure you double check if each code is valid, which is those promo code. So make sure you double check if those codes are valid before completing your purchases. And that's one of the biggest thing that is really important. So make sure you confirm. And that's it. Find the video and review helpful. Leave a date, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.